So it's Ash Wednesday, March 6th, 2019 at 4:22 p.m. And it's been kind of trying today. Decided to finally start after I had some of these. Sometimes food starts it, sometimes food stops it. Crackers seem to be a culprit. I love crackers, so this sucks. WhatsApp messages. In the end, I think it's going to require them to turn over all that information.
Let me go back to the Congressman. It seems to me that is the problem here because the hard rock and what's it called? Rock and an unstoppable force meeting each other. I get the feeling you unstoppable force, but I want to bring an NBC News reporter